This photo right here was captured using the phone's main camera at a massive 200 megapixels. And even when you zoom in this far, the clarity is still seriously impressive. Now take a look at this one, also 200 megapixels, but shot with the telephoto lens. Again, even at this level of zoom, the detail holds up beautifully. Now, 200 megapixel photos on smartphones aren't exactly new anymore, so on their own they might not sound that exciting. But here's what actually makes this special. Both of these incredibly detailed shots were taken on a compact 6.32-inch OPPO phone. And that brings us to the highlight of today's video, the all-new OPPO Find X9S Pro. This is a true pro-level flagship that comes equipped with dual 200 megapixel cameras, all packed into a slim and lightweight body. It's honestly a combination you don't see very often. So if you've been looking for a sleek Android flagship that doesn't compromise on camera performance, this might be the one you've been waiting for. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about the lightweight Find X9S Pro.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
This generation introduces a premium cyan finish that looks absolutely stunning. The metal frame and the AG glass back are both done in this elegant cyan tone, and even the included silicone case matches the color, giving the whole package a really clean and refreshing vibe. The camera module design, officially called the Inspiration Window, is paired with what OPPO calls the Wind Riding Light color scheme. It uses a special, continuous animation-like process that creates this flowing light and shadow effect, almost like waves moving as you tilt the phone. It's subtle, but very eye-catching. Flip to the front and the display looks just as refined. You get ultra-slim bezels, only 1.1 millimeters on all four sides, which makes the 6.32-inch screen feel even more immersive. Every time you unlock the phone, those smooth, rounded corners really stand out. In terms of size and weight, the Wind Riding Light version comes in at 8.6 millimeters thick and weighs 200 grams, while the other color options are slightly slimmer at 8.4 millimeters and 198 grams. All variants feature a glass body. Now, here's something that genuinely surprised me. OPPO managed to fit a massive 7,025 mAh battery into this slim, camera-focused flagship. That's actually larger than what you get in many big-screen phones out there. Lately, this has been my daily driver. I've mostly been using it for everyday tasks and taking photos during walks, and honestly, one full charge easily lasts me the entire day without any stress about battery life. In fact, it feels like it lasts longer than quite a few larger flagship phones. And because it's compact and lightweight, it's super comfortable to carry around in your pocket. But I know what you're probably thinking. How can a phone this slim and light really deliver pro-level camera performance? Well, OPPO doesn't just meet expectations here, it goes beyond them with both image quality and some genuinely innovative features. Let me quickly walk you through the rear camera setup. Both the main camera and the telephoto lens use large 200 megapixel sensors, and there's also a second-generation multispectral lens for color accuracy. This 3.2 megapixel sensor plays a big role in improving color temperature in certain scenes. For example, in a clothing store with warm lighting, the Find X9S Pro reproduces colors much more accurately compared to another ultra flagship. Take this blue denim skirt with a red bow. The warm tones look far more natural on the OPPO, and the red appears noticeably richer and more vibrant. And importantly, OPPO isn't just throwing in 200 megapixel sensors for marketing, it actually improves the real-world experience and final image quality. One thing I immediately noticed is how much faster the phone processes 200 megapixel photos. Whether you're using the main camera or the telephoto lens, capturing and saving these ultra-high resolution shots in Hasselblad's ultra clear mode is now incredibly quick. On top of that, OPPO has introduced a new feature that combines 200 megapixel shots from both the main and telephoto lens into a single image. You get two perspectives in one photo, and both remain impressively sharp even when zoomed in. It's a fun feature, especially if you like sharing on platforms like Weibo or Xiaohongshu, because it really shows off what the 200 megapixel setup can do. And here's the real advantage of 200 megapixels. Timing matters more than perfect composition. Being able to quickly capture the moment is key. For instance, while I was walking in the park the other day, I spotted a cute kitten. Getting too close might have scared it off, so I just used the telephoto lens to snap a 200-megapixel shot from a distance. Later, after transferring the photo to my OPPO tablet, I cropped in heavily and the image was still sharp. That's the kind of flexibility 200 megapixels gives you when editing and reframing your shots. Another upgrade is the ability to capture 8K photos across all focal lengths. And when I say all focal lengths, I don't just mean the native ones. This also includes cropped zoom levels using in-sensor zoom. You can even shoot 50-megapixel photos at 2x and 5.6x, which is incredibly useful. Surprisingly, this is something even many ultra flagships don't offer right now. I tried this out by the lake, taking photos from different angles and focal lengths while aiming for maximum detail. While many phones can output 50-megapixel images across multiple focal lengths, they often lose sharpness when cropping. But with the Find X9S Pro, the results are impressive. At 2x zoom in 50 megapixels, even when zooming in, you can clearly see fine details like ropes and life buoys on a small boat. And at 5.6x, there's barely any over-sharpening or smoothing. It looks natural and clean. So while this may not carry the Ultra label, OPPO's new high-resolution cropping algorithm has significantly improved image quality across the 5 most commonly used focal lengths.
And that's not where it stops. OPPO has also added 9 brand new Master Mode film styles on the OPPO Find X9S Pro, and the color tones are designed to look very close to what you'd get straight out of the camera. These styles work especially well for warm-toned portraits, and when the weather is nice, they're perfect for capturing landscapes and greenery. Honestly, I can see these becoming a go-to choice for everyday shooting. One of the standout options is the Rico Rich style. It recreates that bright, cool-toned daylight look, making it ideal for cooler scenes, especially on cloudy days when you normally wouldn't feel like taking photos. Switch to the rich style, and you might be surprised by how good your shots turn out. There's also a black and white contrast style that's great for street photography. It really shines in scenes with strong light and shadow or detailed textures, especially when you're capturing people or objects with a story behind them. The results feel very expressive and full of character. Master Mode on OPPO phones has already been impressive, and personally, I've always enjoyed using it. With these new film styles, I've found myself going back to the hot light and rich presets the most. It almost feels like the Find X9S Pro removes the limitations of weather for street photography. Even on cloudy days, you can still get that cinematic, film-like look. Plus, being able to tweak parameters and adjust soft light intensity based on your own style makes the whole experience a lot more fun. Once this phone is out in the wild, I'm pretty sure we'll start seeing users share their custom setup settings online. And if you want to recreate those same looks, it's incredibly easy. Just hit the shortcut to open the camera, and the phone can recognize the parameter settings from a post, then instantly suggest applying them with a single tap. For anyone who enjoys mobile photography, that's a really convenient feature. And it's not just about photos. The Find X9S Pro is also a strong performer when it comes to video. The upgraded professional video mode now supports importing 3D LUTs, and you can even preview those LUT effects in real time while recording. With options like flat log footage and in-camera color profiles, you get plenty of flexibility for post-production. Add your own LUTs, and you can really give your videos a unique, personal style. Personally, I'm a big fan of that Fujifilm-inspired tone. If you end up picking up the Find X9S Pro or even the Find X9 Ultra, you can experiment with different LUTs, import your favorites, and really have fun creating your own visual style. And finally, we can't talk about OPPO without mentioning its core experience, ColorOS. Over the past year, ColorOS 16 has received a lot of positive feedback, and now the Find X9S Pro comes with the upgraded ColorOS 16 Gold Label version. One feature I really like is the lock screen guide. I usually keep the always-on display enabled, but when a bunch of WeChat notifications come in, the lock screen can get cluttered and end up covering the wallpaper. With this feature, notifications are neatly turned into small capsules that stay at the bottom of the screen, keeping everything clean. You can also switch between different display styles just by swiping up or down, and even the lock screen widgets have these smooth, bouncy animations that feel really polished. And if you enjoy listening to music on your phone, you'll probably love the new static lock screen lyrics feature. Whether you're using the built-in player or popular third-party apps, they now support this clean lyrics display right on the lock screen. So, overall, I think OPPO has positioned the Find X9S Pro really well. Compared to other Android phones in this size range, the camera performance stands out, and the battery capacity is also ahead of the curve. On top of that, you're getting a gorgeous ultra-narrow 1.5K display with perfectly even bezels on all four sides. I've used plenty of compact Android phones before, and usually battery life and camera quality are where they fall short, but this one feels different. Whether you use it as your main device or even treat it like a portable Hasselblad-style camera, the experience is genuinely impressive. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!